Hello everyone, welcome to the very first video on this channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to do 3D models with photogrammetry. First of all, you have to choose an object which you want to 3D scan. In my case, I'm going to choose a loaf of bread. After you've chosen your object, circle around it with the camera and take a picture every few steps. When you've done that, you need, of course, a software that can turn these pictures into a 3D model. Personally, I like to use 3DF Cypher. Next up, go to 3dflow.net and download 3DF Cypher. Once you started 3DF Cypher, go to Workflow, then go to New Project. When this menu pops up, just keep everything how it is. Then click on Next and click on the giant plus. Then choose the photos that you want to turn into a 3D model. You can choose up to 50 photos with a free version of 3DF Cypher. After you've chosen the photos, click on Next. Then again on Next. Then you can choose the detail. In my opinion, standard is the best. After you've chosen your detail, click on Next again, and then on Start to start the 3D modeling. This can take some while, especially when you have a slower or older computer. After some time, your point cloud is ready. It might not be at the stance as you like, so click on Workflow and Advanced and Point Cloud Settings. Click on that and it will create a more dense point cloud. This will also take some time, but after that you will have a more dense point cloud, which is easier to work with and better in the end. Now, click on Workflow again and then 3D model creation. Click on that. That will turn the point cloud into a finished 3D model. This part will often take the longest, so expect some times. Once it's finished, you can see your 3D model. Don't worry, it might not be as high textured as you want. This is because we need to add in texture later on. But now in its untextured state or low poly state, you can edit the 3D model however you want. After you've edited the 3D model, click on Workflow again, then on Texture Mesh Generating. Click on that again, Edit Work, and then you will have your finished 3D scan. Once you're finished, you can click on Export, then Texture Mesh Export. There you can choose as what file you want to export it. Personally, I like OBJ because it's very easy to work with. After that, you click on Export again, and it will export it. After you've exported it, you can do whatever you want with it. Personally, I like to upload my 3D models to Sketchfab. Now, if you want to export your 3D model to Sketchfab, go to sketchfab.com/your username/models, then click on Upload. Then drag and drop your file into here. I already have done that, so here it is. You can see it's not right. So you can go to Edit 3D Settings, then show Advanced Rotation so you can make it straight. So if you want any other effects or something, you can choose Lit for better lighting. Or generally, you can also make ground shadows or set in background. It is really easy to use Sketchfab. Now, once you've done that, you can also add post-processing. I like to use depth of field, sharpness, because it makes it look cleaner in my opinion. It's all personal preference, so you can do it however you want. Once you're done with that, you need to make a view. So people see your model, they have a preview. For that, click on Save View, then on Save Settings again. Then you can add properties. Then you can edit however you want your 3D model to be. Now here you have your 3D model. If you want to view specific things, you can click on the model inspector down here. There you can see everything you need to know, like a wireframe or a matte gap or a emission layer. I don't have one, so it's just black. And you can see everything you want with this. So feel free to use this. It would be very nice if you would follow my Sketchfab account, sketchfab.com/MrFunnySheep. It would be very nice, and thank you for watching.